Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carmen. Welcome. So the 222 portal is a portal that opens up every single February 2nd, and it lasts until February 22nd every single year. And it intensifies basically until we get to the 22nd of February, because as you can see in that day, we have 3 2s, right? We have 222. Whenever you see these repeating numbers on calendar days, they mark energetic portals that open up in which we can switch on to other timelines that are out there, right? These are timelines that already exist, right? We're not creating anything new. And quantum physics has proven that there is an infinite number of timelines, right? This has been proven. So we know that there's an infinite number of timelines that are out there. And what these portals represent are easy ways for you to kind of switch on to those better timelines, right? Because they are energetic openings that we can travel through if we take advantage of the energy of these portals. But we have to make the conscious effort to take advantage of this energy that's been gifted to us on these days. The 222 portal is a very important portal because out of all of the portals, it is the best for manifesting love. 2 in numerology is the number of partnership. So people often use this portal to manifest a timeline in which they're already with a person that they desire. Somebody that represents the qualities of the 2 energy, which is a relationship that is peaceful and balanced and loving. And so like I said, because there is a timeline out there in which you already have that, these people are just using this energetic portal to switch onto that timeline and to bring in that reality a lot faster and quicker. And for those people who are already in a relationship, it's a great portal to use to improve your relationship, right? To bring in more love, more balance, more peace, more harmony, making it stronger, helping it to last longer. So it's definitely a great portal for bringing in new love and improving your current love. A lot of people use it to reunite with a soulmate or a twin flame that they are not in contact with anymore. So you can use it for that as well, to speed up the reunion process of a twin flame partnership or a soulmate reunion. And you can also use this portal day to bring in more self-love as well. Now, in addition to love, it can also be used for other things too, right? Because 2 is the number of balance. Right? It's a very balanced number, and it's all about harmony and peace. So a lot of people use it to bring in a life that is more balanced and peaceful. If you feel like your life is chaotic and you need more balance, more peace, more tranquility, you can use it for that. And you can use it for anything that will help to bring that into your life as well. So this can be material things that help to bring in more balance and more harmony within your life. Physical things such as more money, right? Or more security at your job. So that's up to you. You get to choose what you want to use this portal for. And you can use it for multiple things. That's one of the big questions I get. You can definitely use it to help to manifest multiple things that you want and to switch on to timelines in which you have those. And this particular 222 portal is going to be a very powerful one for bringing in a love or something within your life that will actually be stable and will actually last, right? Because if we look at the energy of this particular portal day, when we add all of the numbers in this special day together, it reduces down to a number 4. And 4 in numerology is the number of stability and security. And it's all about building structures and things within your life that will be stable and will actually last. It's the most stable energy out of all of the numbers. So this is happening on a 4 universal day. So just setting the intention and being consciously aware of this day, right? Telling the universe that you want to use this day to switch on to a timeline in which you have those things, then you already will shift onto a much better timeline. But I am going to show you a meditation in this video that you can use that will really help to accelerate this process and really just help to heighten it and fully take advantage of this energy. And I've gotten so many messages and emails from people that have done my meditations on these repeating number portal days before about how these meditations on these days have changed their lives and that they've been able to manifest a whole new reality that they never thought in a million years they would ever be able to manifest. But they were able to do it using the meditations on these days. So it really does help to accelerate the process. And I recommend doing it on the actual day, 2/2/2, so February 22nd, because that's when the energy is going to be the most heightened and it's going to be the most powerful. But you can use it 2 weeks before the actual portal day and 2 weeks after as well, because the energy continues to increase as we lead up to the portal day. And after the portal day is open, it's still around. It will be good for another couple of weeks after February 22nd as well. The energy does start to fade after the 22nd, but it will definitely still be around for people to take advantage of if you are not able to do this on the actual day. So don't worry if you're seeing this a little bit late. And so what I want you to do first is I want you to set the intention first. We always set the intention, tell the universe why we are doing what we're doing, because the universe is more likely to support us because it clearly sees what we are doing and why we are doing it. So tell the universe why you're using this portal day and this meditation. And the next thing I want you to do is find a place to rest your head. Find a place that is nice and quiet. And I want you to take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel the air going inside of your lungs and out. Now I want you to close your eyes. And I want you to imagine yourself in a field, standing in a field. You can imagine yourself in any sort of beautiful environment, a beach, a field of flowers. But I want you to imagine that you are standing there, feeling the wind blowing on you, breathing in and out. And now I want you to imagine that you're standing there, but you're not alone. There's something else that is right next to you. If you're trying to manifest love, then it's a person, it's that person standing next to you. If you're using this portal to bring in a material object, such as money or something else to bring more balance, then imagine that that is what is there in that field, standing next to you. And you're not alone. You can't touch it, you can't feel it, but you can sense its presence. And the two of you are standing in that field, and there's nothing else. It's just you and that person or that object. Just the two of you. And now I want you to imagine a beautiful pink light from within your heart. Imagine this beautiful pink light starting to grow. And it's starting to become bigger and bigger. This beautiful pink light is growing and growing. And it's becoming warmer. And now it's warming up your body. And warming you up even more. You might have felt cold before, but now your body is warming because this beautiful pink light inside of your heart is growing, and it's warming your whole entire body, and it's spreading everywhere, all over you, this beautiful pink light. And it's so strong, it's starting to move out from your heart. And now it's moving quickly. And it's moving in the direction of that person standing next to you. This beautiful pink light, it's headed for that person or that object, that thing that you are trying to manifest. It's so powerful that it's now beyond you, and it's moving towards that other thing because it's so powerful. And now it's pulling in that other thing, that person, that thing that you are desiring. It's pulling it in. It's so strong. And it's connecting the two of you together. That beautiful, powerful pink light. Not only has it surrounded you, but it's now surrounded that person or that thing. And it's hitting them all over on all sides, enveloping them, this beautiful pink light. And now it's enveloped both of you. And you're connected to that thing, that person, through this beautiful pink light. And you're feeling their energy. And now it's connecting you to their heart. Imagine that, this beautiful pink light going straight from your heart into their heart. Straight between the two of you, connecting the two of you. Feel how powerful that is. It's bringing them into your energetic aura. It's connecting the two of you on an energetic level. And feel how powerful that is. Now I want you to imagine that this beautiful pink light, it's changing colors. That's right. It's turning from pink now into green. Beautiful emerald green. Spreading green everywhere. That green light is now moving from your heart into that person's heart and connecting you two. Imagine that, a beautiful band of energy, and now it's beautiful emerald green, and it's surrounding the two of you together. And now your energetic auras are combining because of this beautiful green light. They're combining together. Imagine that. Their energy is combining with yours as this beautiful green light surrounds the both of you. And so now your energetic aura has combined with theirs. And you're not separate anymore. And you have balanced each other out. And feel how positive that feels. Feel how it will feel going forward now. Going forward, it will be different now. There won't be separation. There will be partnership with you and that person or that thing. As your energetic auras have now merged together. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. And now I want you to open your eyes. Open your eyes and know that by doing this meditation, you have shifted instantly on to a better timeline in which you have those things. Whatever it was that you were trying to manifest, you have shifted on to that timeline. Just by setting the intention, you already instantly shifted on to that timeline. But this meditation will just help to accelerate it and make it more powerful. So congratulations to you. You did a good job. Now you have to trust that it has happened and you have shifted timelines. You might not see the evidence of this right away. It might take a little bit of time to see the evidence that you have shifted, but just trust and know that you have. And your trust is the most important thing. And so I hope that you enjoyed this meditation today. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with other people. It really helps to get this information out there and help a lot of people when you do that. If you want to get an energy healing session that combines the power of divine codes and numerology with energy healing, you can head on over to my website, StarsAlignWithCarmen.com, and I would love to have you subscribe and to become part of the family. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.